Hey DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting project. Today I'm going to show you how to build a simple seismograph at home in just 3 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, just 3 minutes. This is an awesome project if you're into electronics or just love experimenting with cool gadgets. It's perfect for science fairs, school projects, or just a fun weekend activity. So let's get started. I promise it's going to be a lot of fun. First up, let's gather all our materials. This is a crucial step, so make sure you have everything you need before we begin. You'll need a cardboard box, a marker, some string, a small weight, a ruler, and an old smartphone with a seismograph app. Yep, it's that simple. You probably have most of these items lying around your house already. Alright, step 1. We're gonna make a hole at the top center of the cardboard box. This is where our pendulum will hang from. Use your ruler to measure and mark the spot. Precision is key here to ensure our seismograph works correctly. Carefully poke a hole with a pencil or something sharp. Remember, safety first. Always be cautious when using sharp objects. Next, we'll tie one end of the string to our small weight. Make sure the knot is secure so the weight doesn't fall off. This could be anything like a metal bolt or a small rock. Use whatever you have on hand that has a bit of weight to it. Now thread the other end of the string through the hole we just made. This will allow the weight to hang freely. Make sure the weight is hanging freely inside the box. It should be able to swing back and forth without any obstruction. This weight will act as the pendulum of our seismograph. The swinging motion will help us detect any ground movement. Now let's attach the marker. This is the part that will record the movements. Tape the marker to the bottom of the weight so it's pointing down. Make sure it's secure and won't fall off. When the box shakes, the weight will swing and the marker will trace the movements. Pretty neat, right? This is how we'll record the seismic activity. Okay, now comes the fun part. We're almost done. Place a piece of paper at the bottom of the box. This is where our seismograph will record the tremors. Make sure it's a clean, flat piece of paper. This is where our seismograph will record the tremors. Every little movement will be captured here. Make sure the paper is flat and covers the entire bottom. This will ensure we get a clear recording of the movements. Finally, grab your old smartphone and open the Seismograph app. There are many free apps available that you can use. Place it next to your setup, so it can get an accurate reading. The app will help you correlate the marker's movements to actual seismic activity. This app will help you correlate the marker's movements to actual seismic activity. It's a great way to see the data in real time. Give your box a gentle shake and watch the marker go. You'll see it drawing lines on the paper, recording every little movement. You'll see it drawing lines on the paper, recording every little movement. This is how we'll detect any seismic activity. If there's an earthquake, even a small one, your seismograph will pick it up. It's amazing how sensitive this simple device can be. And there you have it. You've just built a simple seismograph at home. It's a fantastic way to learn about earthquakes and how they're detected. You've just built a simple seismograph at home. Not only is this a cool project, but it's also a great way to learn more about how seismographs work. Not only is this a cool project, but it's also a great way to learn more about how seismographs work. You can impress your friends and family with your new knowledge. Plus, it's a fantastic conversation starter. Imagine explaining to someone how you built a seismograph from scratch. So, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this DIY project, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome videos. Happy tinkering, everyone. Your support means a lot and helps us bring more fun projects to you. See you next time. Keep experimenting and stay curious.